in real world, especially Archi and also structure, if last time when I teach you all this, you all can still remember how you do this or not? Can you remember? We use what? Add it in
Use
place, right?
component.
Ah, so when you do this and you copy piece by piece, the record information will actually keep expanding. You see mine? I only have three. One, two, three. Now why three? Because this piece is, I call it what? When the design comes, add in place. I call this as my design leaf call one. Wait, where's my naming for this? I think so should be this. Yeah, leaf call one. Then in between the second to 8 is same height. Is my leaf call 3. My leaf call last piece 8 to roof is my leaf call 3. So if you never organize properly, when you do one, right, you start to copy. All this data will keep duplicating. So you see that compare your case. I have 3. How many you guys have? You check it out. We should have more than mine. Take a look. I wait for you guys. Have or not? How many you have it there? I call this as the leaf call. I have only 3. The RC wall 400, that is my staircase, which is this is the staircase core wall. Yeah. Okay. So this leaf core is this are the core wall that you built, that I built. Do y'all check now? Hmm? Or do y'all do? Who did not do? Who haven't do? 好，学泰有做吗你？
Yes, but I cannot find
So library, what is the name you give? Because you give this as a leaf core initially you build, and it's custom built as a
with.
wall, it should be appear. 啊，它会呈
I
现在
already
这边的。
forgot.
Oh no,
I
how can forget? Cannot forget lah. Because the method is the same, like what you do. It's just that we use extrusion. But when you copy and paste to other level, you notice that this leaf core will start to automatically multiply. The more you copy, they just call leaf core 1, but you have 10 or 11 leaf core. But you can see my case, I only have 3. Why? Because this part, that repeating one, you create it as a family. Okay? You all get what I mean? Or how to create this as a family. So let me clear this first. Escape. Well, this is the one and only, so I don't care. Now go to the second one. Now the second one here, see, is, oh, this is called leaf call 3. The first one, how come don't indicate? That's kind of weird. Okay, what is this second one? Leaf call 1. This one? Leaf call 1. That's kind of weird. This is one, last one. Leaf call 3. So weird. This one got no name. The second second to third is leaf call 3. Second third to fourth is leaf call 1. It's kind of weird because I have the folder, which is when I created it, I save inside the example, which is BCA students, your class, Aki, my exercise assignment 2. Okay, backup file delete, waste of space. You see the group, I have 3 different leaf call. But how to create this group? This one, your basic, you learn, you learn, right? Remember the function in your group. But for this special case, is when you create this separately. All right, yeah. So for my case is actually this one. If you happen to edit, okay, you see this, right? While you are doing this, you notice that from your tools here, you are able to export this as a family types. Let me see. Sorry, not this family type. Where is it? Oh, suddenly I can't see. Or save as. Save as family or library. You see, there's a group. So when you create this as a group, it's out. So if I select this here, export, anything for us to choose, image, reports, no, options, no, save as, family, or library as a group. Then when you select this, how come no group? It's kind of weird. How I do it? I forget already. Like should I say? It's weird, Why I don't see this? Oh,
But then
sudden
how come you
disappear.
got 3? I only got 1 only, you know. You teach me how to do this
That's
full
why.
one. I just pull all the way up 1 only.
Yeah. Okay, if you drag all the way up, later when it come to manage it, it will be difficult. Because this wall opening, it should not be full height. You should have some other piece concrete wall to stop at certain height. Because your opening here, the most is like 2.2. So you have some piece which is not completed yet. So you draw all the way up. Later, difficult to adjust for different height. That's why why I created it as a individual. See, so this is actually I insert as a group family. Yeah, because
Okay.
here as a family call, you can drag and drop. You see my drawing here. Let's say this is leaf call 1, right? You go leaf call 1, you drag and drop. See, the leaf call is here. It become a family. See not?
Okay.
So
They're talking about the lift. We need to
yeah,
create the lift door, lift car or not?
no need, no need, no need. That one is none of your problem. That one is if you want to realistic to see door open animation here and there, then you could ask your lift company to design one. You want to design yourself.
So for us, we just
Leave the
draw
empty
the
shell. Yeah,
door opening.
that's it.
We'll do lah. Okay.
If you want to draw 2 door panel close also can but don't show open because you see
Okay.
the external shell you don't see what's inside
Okay.
remember?
Yeah.
You can do that if you want. Just draw 2 panel. But because currently
Okay.
now this one is actually at the opening height, which is quite high lah. See when I turn it on again, I will crop it. Come on. Hey, how come it will turn on? Okay, like this one, you adjust it. Okay, maybe let's do some testing. If I do on one part like this, okay, now you look at this. Come on, my view. Hello. See, don't want to update. Very heavy. So you zoom in. So what you want to design? This part, right? Correct.
Yes.
So here, normally you have a ceiling. So this ceiling, which is for my case, I forget what is the height. Should be here. My four ceilings somewhere here. But of course, your concrete must all the way up. So if you measure, you see what is the height. 3D we can't measure unless you really cut a section. Okay, yeah, this is why I hate lah. But never mind. Let's create that profile first. So I will do the concrete component. Okay, you see mine got a raised level. Now, so this is your leaf what external core wall, right? I call it external core wall. So I will do something same line as this because this is concrete. Externally, normally they might put marble stone or they'll put stainless steel. Because stainless steel looks okay but not fantastic. You have a marble stone, it look expensive. All right, so design I don't care, but now I only want this part to be generated or two numbers of this. Yeah, when it's okay, you can mirror or copy to this side. Yeah, but meantime, let's do this part first. Okay, so as per normal, Aki, correct? Then component, right? Model in place. So this is actually a wall, correct? So we got to select your wall here. All this step basically is the same. It just that you need to know what you are creating. Okay, because custom component, you must address them correctly. Not sure, please go and find out. But I know that this is a RC wall. I can't have this cube shape. I can do a lot of cutting, but extra works I don't want. I want something short and sharp. So I do this, then I give a name called the external leaf, let's say core. Okay, maybe leaf core underscore one, because I don't know any other design will come out. So done. Then you go to create. All right, you may want to sketch where is the plane or define where is the plane. But since you're doing from the ground level, default, when you go in, your first story, or my second story, oops, I should be at the first story. All right, first story, yep, nearly make a huge mistakes because when I start extrude, I can't change anymore. So make sure you are at the correct level. Okay, then extrusion, you want to set the plane first. So set plane, first story level. That means this line here. See that? First story. Okay. Then I'm going to say extrude. So I sketch the line work. So instead of drawing all this, you may want to use pick line. Accuracy is better. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like this. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Since I think together, do it together lah, better, right? Don't later mirror here, mirror troublesome, since we are doing it. But the view here is to determine my elevation height lah, so I leave it. Okay. Yep. When done, then finish. Okay. Now, if you looked it in 3D, of course, this one can be adjusted, right? See? when you drag. See now. So if I'm going to drag this, I need to do some planning. What is the height for this? Okay, so elevation shows me, so here no change. Temporarily I'll maximize this view, TW, so easier to see. So my level here, oops, 101, right? 0.00, that means 4.5. If 4.5, let's say my leaf opening, let me use calculator, sorry. Calculate first. Calculator, if my leaf opening height you want is, let's say, 2.4, for instance, what is the level? I think from here I can use create reference plane, which is now not allowed. Okay, it doesn't allow me to offset. If offset, I can know where to adjust. But now reference line also can, but I don't want. You can click finish first, it's okay, because anytime I can go in and edit. So hold on, 4500 minus 2004. That means, sorry, 2005, is it? Because 2004 is the structure. Clear. Anema, it's okay. 4500 minus 24. So I got to offset from top here down 2.1. So if 2.1, how I'm going to do it? So RP means reference plane. RP, come on. Don't tell me 3D not allowed. Hate you. Yeah, 3D not allowed. Okay, so not allowed. Never mind. We close this. I will create a section view. No choice. They force me to section view from here to here. So I'm going to one. How come my function cancel away? Floor plan. How come it's tagging? Hello, where's my section? Yeah, here. So cut this to here. Okay. I only want to see this part. So the rest I don't care. And up to here. I keep it temporarily because if I don't want, just delete away. So my section view should be here. Okay, so you can see your stuff. All right, shading, consistent color. Yep. If I set this to 5, it looks better. Now, this material, if you just want to be unique, I will change the material. So this one here, material is here, structural material. Come on. Yeah, so it's here. All right, so this is concrete, of course. So concrete, I'll take something like this to a different color, but my color I change to something striking, orange. Yeah, that's for the fun of it. So at least I can identify this is some design pattern. Whoops, why not display? Hey, oh, this is a section view? No. RGB color, oh, shading. Surface pattern supposed to be this one. Yeah, orange here. Set the wrong one. This is for shading in a 3D. But now because of section view and it's a cut, no, right? I don't think it's a cut. if the cut should be different. I didn't cut this piece, what? Why still didn't update the color? Shaded, see? It's a bit weird, huh? Unless some other stuff affected. Okay, never mind. That one later then we figure out. First, reference plane. I need to offset peak line, 2.1. 2100. That means from here down. Okay, like this. So that means this first one here, you got to select this to stop here. Then maybe I'll lock it. Now this one here is from here to here. Okay. You know what happened? The moment you lock, you can't adjust anymore. So be careful, don't lock. Okay. Now this is what I want. So in my 3D, or just now that section view, right? You see? Now, see, become this one's affected. I hate it. Oh, become orange color. Terrible. Material. Where is my material? Manage. Material here. Change the screen back to gray. Alright. If not, later nightmare. I should duplicate one now, but I didn't. So and I changed the effect. Okay, this. So this is look like this. Yeah. Okay, so when you create this, you notice that inside the wall here, you have external, see, external core. This one we close, huh? Now here comes the tricky part, which I say. This is called external core and it's called external core 1. So previously, how I show you guys is, if I select this, you copy and paste on top. You know what happened? This thing automatically you'll be duplicate a lot. Let's try good example. Now I select one, right? I didn't lock them. Copy, paste, align to, let's say this is second to roof. Root level remove. You see what happened if I do this? You notice below here, all this. See now. Hey, where's my graphic screen? Disappear. It's kind of weird. My video screen disappear. But y'all can see, right? Can I?
Yes.
So you notice that this part, this thing start to populate, which is my leaf core. I don't have this. So you can see that because of this, your file size getting bigger. Because to them, if this is a family, it will not happen. Okay? Yeah. So in this case, I'm not going to do something like this. See now the whole partitioning is actually also out, not accurate. So I'm going to undo. Control Z. Okay. So now back to normal. Alright. Now, because this and this, the height is different. So I will actually duplicate one out. Alright. Yeah. So how I'm going to duplicate? Let's say if I select this, see, can I save this as a family out or not? Export, No, save as library family. But if you do this, be careful the family. Why I say that? Here, default is all family. If you don't know, give a name and you just click save. In this project, all your family will be exported. But you don't want. You only want this family to be exported. Then make sure you choose the correct family. This step here, please be careful. So it's called external wall something, right? Where is it? External wall EX. Where is it? External wall. Don't have? It's called leaf core 1, leaf core 2. How come don't have this external wall? Or did I miss out? Yeah, I don't see the external wall. Okay, let me try one more time. How come I don't see the name? Select this. I go to edit in place. Then I pick this. Hopefully when I try to export out, it does allow me to save as library family. Okay, from here, let's choose the name. External family. Leave call. Aiyo, how come doesn't allow me to? Joker, why not allow? Give me a minute. You don't see able to see the name. If I pick this, anything on exporting, no. Save as project library family group, not allowed. Yeah, this one here very weird. When I do my leaf call, I can. Now I can't. Yeah, save as family. Because I call this as the leaf call, it should be able to choose the name. Because here can't specify because of this. So you need to choose a family. Alright, because is this a family yet? Let me see. Haven't, right? Because it's a custom build. So custom build, I don't see this as a family yet. Wall. Don't have. Right click. Type properties, no. Hi, how come suddenly cannot already? Chai, what did I miss? What have I missed? Okay, let me how come cannot? Hold on. Pick this. If I haven't edit, I cannot save as a view group family, because sometimes in the edit mode or at the component itself, naming can be different. Yeah, I don't see it. Okay, here. If I select this, add it in place, select again, add the extrusion. Now from here, see whether can I save this as a block. Export, no. Save as library, family cannot, group, no group. Ooh. Hmm. If I select this already created, material is here, no wonder I can't change. Okay, this one secondary. Important thing is how can I make this as a family out? What have I missed? Correct, it's here, but here don't have any other names. Options, reports, this is images, no, it should be saved as project, no, it should be a family, RFA. Okay, so save this as a family. It just that the name, it doesn't appear. Alright, the name should be appearing. I don't know which part did I make a mistake. Okay, never mind. This one let me try to figure out. Then maybe next week I show it to you. I do it before. It just said now I don't know why it cannot be done. Okay. So if you do it next week, then of course you see the way you see this leaf core, like the standard only 3 because the first level this is the leaf core. In between second to the rest is 1. Not like just now when I copy, the whole thing automatically populate. There's 9 numbers. We can actually, based on the group or family, you fine tune it. Okay, let me sort this out. I don't know why it cannot be done. Very weird. I leave it here first. Then later I'll try to do it. Okay. If can, maybe I'll record in the video. If not, then I show you live next week. All right. So let me stop recording first. Oops, where's my video? Hey, my video scene disappeared. Hey, where's my video? Stop recording.